Email and SMS performance usually drops for one reason. The account isn't audited regularly. In this video, I'll show you how to audit your Klaviyo account step by step in 2026 so you can fix hidden issues and improve deliverability, engagement, and revenue. All right, start with account health. Go to your account overview and check sending reputation, recent campaign performance, and warning messages. If deliverability is weak, everything else downstream suffers, so this always comes first. Next, review how contacts are entering your account. Check sign-up sources like forms, integrations, and imports. Remove inactive or low-quality sources. Clean growth beats fast growth every time. Now audit your segments. Segments should be dynamic, behavior-based, and actively used. If you see old segments that haven't been used in months, archive them. Too many unused segments slow decision-making. All right. Flows are where most revenue comes from. Review key flows like welcome, abandoned cart, and post-purchase. Check open rates, click rates, and revenue per recipient. If a flow hasn't been updated recently, it's probably underperforming. Next, campaigns. Check how often you're sending and who you're sending to. Oversending to unengaged users hurts deliverability. Focus campaigns on engaged segments first, then expand slowly. Now, content matters. Open recent emails and review subject lines, preview text, and calls to action. If emails look sales-heavy with no value, engagement drops fast. Balance promotion with usefulness. All right, this part is critical. Check spam complaints, bounce rates, and unsubscribe trends. If these are rising, stop sending to cold audiences immediately and focus on re-engagement or cleanup. Finally, make audits routine. Do a light audit monthly and a full audit quarterly. Consistent reviews prevent performance drops before they become expensive problems. And that's how to audit a Klaviyo account properly. Clean lists, focused segments, healthy flows, and smart sending habits. Do this regularly and performance improves without increasing send volume.